So this is water inlet, this is water outlet. Okay, so here we have the screen filter. We need to make sure that the arrows are going here. The screen filter will cleaning every 6 months or before. So it's clean. If it's not clean, we're using toothbrush to clean it, or any soft brush. Second filter is the disc filter that is going after the fertigation dosing pump. We also need to clean it around every 6 months. Now it's clean. That's the way to put it. That's the bottom. Need to make sure that the arrows are going through from the water inlet to the water outlet. Always water out. Here, the others. Okay. The automation, here there is a close position. Can you come here, please? There is a close position, there is auto position, and there's open position. So it always has to be on auto, in the middle. This, not good, in the middle. Okay. Regarding the automation, it's either a Bluetooth controller or regular. Here you have a battery, 9 volt, has to be changed around every 1 year or so. It's gonna tell you notification on the controller that the battery is low. For now there is no notification, so it's good. So what we're doing now is setting the time. First one is the time. That's the current time. So right now it's 2:39 p.m. and it's Thursday. Right? If you want to change it, go here to set, and we're changing it. Set again, changing the minutes. Set again, changing the day. Finish mode. Second is the duration of the water cycle. So this is a minute controller, not seconds, meaning this one it's hour, this one are minutes. So for now it's 5 minutes duration of water. When it's turning on, it's working for 5 minutes. Let the passing water to pass. Next, it's the days when we want it to work. So now it's working every day. If you don't want to work every day, you click on the set and then you do minus. Now it's not working at all, or working only on Sunday. Okay, so we put it every day. Let's see. Alright, now Sunday is not. So we do plus. Okay, now every day. Next is the starts. We can do up to 4 starts with this particular controller. The first start is 8 a.m. As we established before, duration is for 5 minutes. So it's starting 8 a.m. and it's working for 5 minutes. The second start is, you can see start 2, it's 11 a.m., which is also working for 5 minutes. Third start is in 2 p.m., another 5 minutes. And the fourth start, 4:30, another 5 minutes. If we want to change it, again, we press the set and we change the time that we want it to work. If you want to control the water manually, just press the manual button and it's starting to watering the plant. There is also available a sensor, a rain sensor that you can put it on top, so it's not gonna work when the rain will start. Oh, now we have a battery notification. Now it's time to change the battery. Apparently, it's been a while probably, so this you can just get it in 7-Eleven for 150 peso or so. It's very cheap.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, definitely need to change the battery now. And the next is the fertigation, is the dosing pump. We have 2 things here. One is how to control the percentage, and the second is turning on or turning off the fertigation. The hat is on top, meaning it's working. The water is passing through the fertigation with NPK. If we turn it off, now the water will pass, but the NPK won't pass. So no more fertilizer, only water passing. This we're going to flush the system once in a week to clean the drippers, to clean the system, and to put the crops in stress. So they don't have nutrients, they don't have diet like fertilizer, they're growing even better. So once in a week, for example, Friday, whole day. So rest of the days it's turned on, just once in a week you turn it off to clean the system, right? Next is how to control the percentage. So this one you remove, this one you never remove, it's for maintenance only. And so the top one, and that's how you adjust in it. You can reduce up to 1%. Here you can see 1% dito, or increase up to 4%, meaning for every 1 liter of water that's passing through the system, 1% of it will be NPK. So 10 milliliter for 1 liter of water. 10 milliliter NPK, 1 liter of water. So standard, we just continue to do 2%. Then we're using the Ferticalc on AgroSheriff's AgriTech website, agrosheriff.net. It's free for our clients. You choose the crop and you give the initial calculation for the NPK that you already have. So triple 16, triple 14, triple 15, ganon. That's what you're using. Also, there's going to be some missing fertilizer, so you're going to use 4600 or 0060. This all you can have in the calculator to put it for 10 liters of water. So this is a gallon, so that's or more, I don't know. So basically, if we know exactly that there is 10 liters of water, we put the calculation. But if it's 20 liters of water, so we just double it. So whatever we did the calculation, we double it, and we put 20 liters or 30 liters, etc., etc. And then, as agronomist, he will know that if the leaves are yellow, for example, maybe I need to reduce or increase the fertilizer. Again, just removing the latch, increase or decrease the fertilizer to his crop. So that's it. Simplified AgriTech for smart adaptation. Thank you.